Okay, today we're here at Knott's Berry Farm for the peanut celebration, and I went to the Gourmet Churro Factory and I got the PB&J Churro Bites. So they're little bite-sized pieces of churro, and they have cinnamon sugar on them, and they're filled with peanut butter. It's a sweet peanut butter, so they must have mixed it with some sugar. And then there's some kind of jam or jelly. Doesn't quite look like boysenberry, so it might be strawberry. Yeah, strawberry jam. So the churro is okay. She didn't make it right there, so it's not quite as good as it could be. But she did fill each of the little bites with the peanut butter, and then it tastes good with the jelly. Oh. Dripping some of my peanut butter out. That's the problem, is you bite it and then the peanut butter slides down the tube. So these are, the churros are pretty good. I like the filling and I like the jam. So I think I'll rate it maybe a B+, just because the churro was not made fresh. So it's starting to get a little stale. But the rest of it is, I really like the filling and I really like the jam. So that makes the grade a little higher. So let's see. So please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite and I'll see you in the next one.